All right. It's been a little while since I've, shared any progress or any done bikes. I just got this one done. It's a 1986 trx250R, which has taken quite a long time. And I'm going to do most of this video here in the sun, and then I may move to the shade here in a little bit because it is crazy hot here today in East Texas. I think it's like 103. But yeah, I am incredibly impressed how this came out. I went with the OEM kind of feel on this one, and it just turned out great. I guess we'll start from the front. Total restoration, nut and bolt. And then obviously the best parts I could possibly find that were OEM. All of the aluminum has been polished. Everything is a great bright red finish on the frame, and you know, your bumper here, shocks have been redone. Kind of come in here. All your bolts have been upgraded. This is the suspension bolt kit. They're all 10s, all that good stuff. Brakes have been completely redone. I'll kind of get in there and do. All new hardware, everything. And I'll be taking a lot of pictures too and whatnot. Your OEM snout here, completely redone. Got a great finish on it. 3-piece fender set. All the fenders, all the plastics, brand new. OEM correct. Brake reservoir, OEM lines. Everything's been redone. New old stock bars. Super cool. Headlights, taillights, everything works. Everything has been completely redone. Some dust on there. Your parking brake and your rubbers. You got rubbers on both sides. You can see that. Parking brake works. Pretty nice. Just do a walk around here before I die out in this heat. So I'll try to get down in here so you can see all the work. The only thing I don't really like about the OEM fender setup, you know, the full fenders on it, is that it kind of hides a lot of the work, the restoration and stuff. And so I kind of like the fenders that are a little bit more up, the aftermarket race cut ones. You get a good idea and kind of get in there. Factory shroud set up with the, you know, piece in there. Factory brake lines, of course, I already said that. I did hide a oversized, bigger core aluminum radiator. If you can see in here, I put the OEM plastic rock guard on there also, and so, you know, it's hard to tell that it's in there. You really have to get to the side here, and you can see the aluminum this way. So yeah, it turned out super cool, and that's kind of what I was going for. Yeah, just super nice. So these came with the fenders, this bracket here, and usually it's a smaller black L bracket that comes with the like if you had a stock setup, and then a metal rod that comes through here. What I did was make this aluminum square piece to go from the L to here. And why I did that is because it's got a little bit more flex. And so, you know, if you're riding this thing hard, or, you know, riding it at all, you've got a less chance to crack the fenders. And I used rubber washers in between the fender itself, and came out with the metal washers.